Hi, you are watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Depleting groundwater is a major concern for Punjab, and for past some years, Punjab government is taking steps to address this issue. So today, Mohinder Singh, Chief Conservator Soil Punjab, is here in Punjab Agriculture University to attend a workshop regarding water conservation and soil conservation. So we will try to talk to him regarding this issue. So welcome, sir, to The Savera. Sir, as you know, the groundwater level is depleting for past some years in Punjab, and it is a major concern for the Punjabis. So, what kind of challenges you face to address this issue? What kind of steps are required to address this?
देखो we are facing many challenges these days about the depletion of water in the Punjab. So in this case we are doing many schemes. Government have initiated many schemes to stop this depletion of water. So first of all we all have to work for stop this depletion of water. And
Sir, to stop this depletion of waters, what kind of strategies are being adopted? What kind of measures are being adopted? Whether we are shifting farmers from paddy to other crops, or we are bringing some varieties to shift from the water-consuming varieties.
In fact, we are doing, government of Punjab is in fact doing many, initiated many schemes for this saving of water. In case of irrigation purposes. ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਲੱਗ-ਅਲੱਗ ਸਕੀਮਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਨੇ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਹੈ. ਫਸਟ ਵਨ ਇਜ਼ ਅੰਡਰਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਪਾਈਪਲਾਈਨ, ਜਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਕਿ ਇਨ ਦਿਸ ਸਕੀਮ ਅਰਲੀਅਰ ਇਟ ਵਾਜ਼ ਓਨਲੀ 90% from the NARI network. Now it's government had raised it about 100%. So we hope that now more area will come under this underground pipeline system. So that's why in that way we will save water extraction from the underground water.
While addressing the gathering during the workshop, you said that micro irrigation facilities, it is a major challenge. The farmers are not adopting this technology. So what kind of problem you are facing?
Yes, actually our farmers are still using the traditional method, and that is like flood irrigation and other. Now our challenge in the micro irrigation is that because farmer is still want कि मैं flood irrigation करा, मैं और कुछ ना करा. So they are not adapted till now. Government is giving up to 90% subsidy. Even then farmers are not ready to adopt this system, because this is a little actually we are now telling to the farmer with the micro irrigation the quality and quantity both are improving, and they are getting more return from the. Even then farmers are still reluctant because they don't want to shift from paddy and this wheat circle. This is the issue main.
Why they do not want to shift from the paddy, or what are the other options available in the market that the experts they are asking the farmers to adopt?
The reason being, I can say, these are, I think, MSP is the main issue in other crops. Farmers are from the last many years they are only growing these kind of crops. To diversify these crops, it will take little time. So I hope in the coming days, coming years, the farmer will definitely adopt this system, because we are organizing so many awareness camps. PAU is also doing lot of work on about this. So we are hoping in the coming time it will improve.
What are the other crops available that you are saying the farmers that they should stop cultivating paddy and should shift to other crops? Which are the other crops?
There are many crops. Department of Agriculture and PAU are already replicating different crops. Instead of paddy, they recommended many crops which can be grown, like maize and pulses. They can adopt some cotton. So there are many options. So we are all institutions of government, all are working on that. and we hope in the coming days, coming years, it will improve. Yes, farmer will shift. Slow and slow, they will definitely shift.
Talking about rain harvesting and water conservation, what kind of efforts are being taken by the Punjab government?
In case of water harvesting structures, we are making many structures in the Kandi area region, because as you know, we should catch the rain where it falls. So on that strategy, we are making so many check dams, recharging structures. We are working on that as well.
And it was mentioned during workshop that rainfall has been decreased significantly in past some years in Kandi area. So what are the reasons?
Reasons, you also know that global warming, many kind of reasons are there. Earlier in the Punjab, the average rainfall was near 800, 700. Now it came down up to I think nearby 500 mm. So reasons are all this is because of that global warming or someone else reasons.
So what are your final last message to the farmers, as well as suggestions to the government that what kind of more efforts are required to improve the water table?
I will request to the farmers, they must they must adopt the technologies like micro irrigation, underground pipeline, or some crop diversification should also be can be adopted by them. So the all the measures are to save the water, so we can give some water to the our coming generation. So this is very urgent.
So he's Chief Conservator Soil Mohinder Singh, and he suggested different ways, different strategies the farmers can adopt. He said that the farmers should adopt different technologies like micro irrigation, so that we can conserve water and we can save water for our future generations. So you are watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.